G'day troopers. Today we are changing the oil and oil filter on a 2004 Kia Pregio 2.7 litre J2 motor. What we're going to need is some engine flush, 15mm socket, a filter removal tool, oil, funnel and a container for the dirty oil and a rag to clean up. Before I start, I add the engine flush into the motor. The motor's meant to run for 15 minutes to heat up. Then once it starts cooling down, I'll remove the oil and the oil filter. This car is quite high off the ground, so you don't have to jack it up, and I can see that the sump plug is quite easily accessible. It's just here, under the car, passenger side, and the oil filter is just there. While the engine is still hot, I'm going to undo the sump plug. And hopefully bleed this thing. While the oil's draining, we're going to have a crack at removing this oil filter. I can see the part number Z630 is exactly what we need. I've got a spare one here. Tight. Whoa, that came out really easy. Jesus, that is too easy. I'm surprised it was actually sitting. Anyway, it's coming off, so it's a good thing.
A few minutes later.
Draining oil out of it. While it's all draining, I'll just clean up the engine, because you know what's going to happen once you start running the motor. While the oil's still draining, I've got the new filter out. The trick there is to run a bead of oil around the seal so it seals properly. So I'll just use the new oil to do that. There we go. It's meant to be just hand tight, so well, that's hand tight as far as I'm concerned. Okay, let's go sump plug. Let's just tighten it and clean it up and fill it up with oil. I've cranked over the motor. Let's see how much oil we have. Clean the dipstick first. Back it goes. Leave it for a little while. Out it comes. Let's have a look. It's halfway between full and empty. That's pretty good. I'll top up just a little bit just to be on the sure side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, troopers. Until next time.